Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here in Emmanuel's house. I'm here with Emanfan, and right here's a Black Hunter Infiniti. It's before I forget, it's 10:14 a.m. Friday, November 15th, 2000. What year is this? 2019 now. And yeah, I figured to take this, have the opportunity to take the fan for a spin.
Yeah, fan. I forget what quarter it's from, but I know it's from 1993.
Oh, okay.
So it's an earlier Infiniti.
Yeah.
Spinning it on his fans a bit. Not too long, but it's definitely not like under a minute. It's like a good few minutes at most.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I didn't even do spin downs at first, and then I got so many requests for them. I said, I don't know, I don't know why. I just okay, fine, I'll do. That's you guys want.
Do it because I figure, hey, at least I have it out of the way. So if people are gonna ask for it,
Yeah, yeah.
might as well just do it and then there.
Take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do subscribe to my page and check out Emmanuel's page called Emanfan, and check out my Facebook page also called the Fancave. Yep, thanks a lot for watching. Actually, the spin doesn't seem too bad on this one. There's some that some of the industrials and stuff take forever.
Yeah. But compared to out of all the fans that are installed, this one definitely has the longest one.
Oh yeah.
I mean, the other two Infinitis, if spin down on it, wasn't even as long as this one, without a question.
Hmm. Birds.
Yeah, we have the noisier one on the other side.
Oh.
He won't let me sleep, so I put the whole cage in my mom's room.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.